Hello everyone, Von Marie here, and thank you for joining me today on the Whimsy Stamps channel. So my main focus is this Halloween poem, and then I'm going to use this fun Witch Whisper sister die set. And I'm not going to use that die set, the Eek, after all, but I am going to use the Nevermore paper pad. And I'm trying to find a pattern paper with a house on it, a haunted house, because the poem talks about a haunted house, and it says, "You see that house upon the hill, a witch lived there and haunts it still. Will you enter on a dare, or will you run off scared from here? Trick or treat, the children call, 'tis Halloween, there's fun for all." So fun. So that is my main focus, and here is the pattern paper I chose. And I will cut out that Witch Whispers sister die set out of this dark gray cardstock. And I'm just going to tape it to my, tape my die to the paper because it was moving. And I love that it's small, that I can use my small die cutting machine today. And then I will run that through and poke them out. And I will ink blend some black ink on that witch and those cats. And I think it's such a fun die set, and I love the other Witch Whispers die set, so that's why I had to use this sister set. So I love this pattern paper so much, and I know you guys don't like me to cut the pattern paper either, so this card is going to be 5 by 5, just so I could keep most of the pattern paper. So I hope that makes you happy. It made me happy. And I will stamp this poem with black ink. And I'm trying to see how I'm going to put everything. So here I'm going to stamp my poem on some white cardstock. And I think I'm just using some Versafine Onyx black ink. And then I will ink blend the edges of this as well. And I do use the Mix and Match scallop die set. There's a rectangle, a stitched rectangle die that is perfect, cuts out this poem perfectly, which I was super excited about. And it would be fun too to ink blend, or not ink blend, stamp this in a different color if you didn't want to do black ink. Could stamp it on watercolor paper and add some other colored inks. So here is that stitched rectangle, and so perfect. I love it. It was my first time using this size. And I will then grab a small blending brush, and I'm going to ink blend the edges of that poem. I'm not sure if I do it now or later, but I will do that. And I'm also going to cut out some pumpkins from the Witch Whispers die set. So perfect, and I was trying to show the house but not cover too much of the raven or the crow. I get the birds confused because I have ravens all the time near my home, so I always call them ravens, but I believe these ones are crows. So here are my pumpkins that I cut out with orange cardstock from the Witch Whispers die set. I cut out some of the pattern paper from the Nevermore. It was like a scrap piece of paper, which was perfect for these pumpkins. It was black. And then I'm ink blending these pumpkins with some black ink here, just using that Versafine Onyx black ink, and just trying to blend everything, like my witch, and I do my cats. And I just wanted everything to look nice for this card. And so here is where I will ink blend the poem just a little bit, and I will pop that up with some foam tape. And then it looks like I have everything, and it's time to put the card together. And so here is a 5x5 gray card base, and I'm just using my liquid glue And so I love how easy this card was. There was no coloring, just a little bit of ink blending, but just black ink. So I can easily make tons of these cards because the assembly is really easy and not much die cutting as well. It was really easy. And I'm just going, I added some foam strips to the back of my witch, and then I'm just going to glue my pumpkins and add my cats. And I'm not going to use any embellishments for this card because I felt like you wouldn't be able to see them anyways. And I'm putting my cat, jumping over the pumpkins here. And I could have added some bats as well, so you can always do that. And next is that last cat. And then I'm going to add some white gel accents with my white Jelly Roll pen. And then I will share a close-up of my card. And so I hope you like my card. I may do one more Halloween card soon. If not, it will be fall, but I'm pretty sure it'll be Halloween. And here is a close-up, so I'm gonna share it. And then thank you for joining me today, and I hope you like my card and my tutorial. And I hope you have a wonderful day. And last one. So here it is. Thank you.